Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please don't let me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Got a little different video for you. As you can tell, it's a grocery haul. Why would we be doing that in a renovation video? Because we're living in the place now, but we're still renovating in it. So let's get to it. This is about 2 weeks worth of groceries. First, let's do the produce and the cold stuff. So we're starting off over here with the organic cut corn. And if you notice, it's all pretty much organic. If it's not organic, it's at least non-GMO. We try to stay healthy around here. We got 3 bags of chopped spinach. We got 5 bags of broccoli florets. We got 1 bag of siete burrito wraps. These things are pretty good. We got 1 bag of tropical fruit medley. We was going to get mango, but they were out. Bummer. Huh. But we got the tropical fruit medley. I'm pretty sure there's mango in there somewhere. Mango where? Eat this stuff, that's where you go. Then we got a bag of cauliflower florets. We got a bag of stir fry blend. We got actual veggie super green veggie burgers with broccoli, kale, white bean, and spinach. I know it doesn't look good, but believe it or not, actual veggies is very good because it's not just actual veggies, it's actually delish. Okay. Then we got mini peppers for snacks. If you haven't tried it before, you can just grab these things and you just eat them. They're good. Then we got a dose bag or pack of sprouted tofu. If you have tofu, it's best to have it sprouted. It's good to eat living foods. No. And always organic. Always organic, especially sprouted. It's always good to have living foods. This food right here is living food. Okay? It's good for your body. Alkalizing food. And we got 2 heads of cabbage, which my wife makes an amazing Mexican slaw. I don't know what else to call it other than that. We have some guacamole, traditional. The best sauerkraut they are. Don't get pasteurized sauerkraut. And yes, it is non-GMO project certified. Then we have 1 bag of organic tomatoes. Hey, you guys from the South and gals, tomato sandwiches, oh, you know it's good. Then we have some sprouts. We have organic alfalfa and radish sprouts. We usually make our own sprouts, which is very simple and easy to do. You can get some seeds and get your mason jars and look it up, and it's easy to do. We have 3 bags of romaine hearts. Let us what? Continue with this grocery haul. We have a cantaloupe. Me and my wife's married. Yes, we didn't just elope. We have 2 bags of avocados. We have 2 red peppers and 1 green bell pepper. We have 50 something bananas or something of that sort.
7 bunches, yeah.
We have 7 bunches of bananas. We have bananas all the time. The children eat bananas all the time.
And that's only going to last us a week.
Won't last a week probably. Banana bread, banana muffins. We have
smoothies.
We have a bag of carrots, maybe carrot dogs. Don't know. We have carrots. We have 3 trees organic unsweetened original almond milk. All that's in this is filtered water and organic almonds. People out there that drink the almond milk, there's barely any almonds in there. What you're drinking, no judging whatsoever. But you see 2 simple ingredients, and it's filtered water and organic almonds. So we got 2 bags of fresh broccoli, not just frozen. We got 2 pomegranates, 2 bags of lemons. Believe it or not, making smoothies and you put a whole lemon slice or whole lemon inside of it, it's really good for you. Cleanses your livers and that stuff. And not doctor advised. We're not doctors. I'm just saying it's very healthy for you. We'll go to the bathroom. Just advise, okay? But got 2 bags of mandarins. This is a very big snack with the children as well. We got 2 bags of Brussels sprouts. They are good. Little tiny, cabbages you could say. But they're good. They're good for you. They're good. And what else we have? We have some bok choy, which in this right here you might be looking at and going, what is this? It's organic cotton produce bags. So it's better to use these than the plastic bags inside of the stores. It's time to transition into no plastic, which I know you're looking and you're going, yes. Thank you, pretty. But we wanted to get away from all this plastic, so we tried to use them when we could. We got some cucumbers. Got some cucumbers. We got some zucchini. Zucchini who? I don't know. Me and you. You crazy. We got two stalks of asparagus. My old lady's favorite. She's not old, not old, old down yonder, And then we got this old-fashioned sourdough spelt bread. It's one of the healthiest sourdough breads you can find. So, and you can find this as far as we know, you can find this at Whole Foods. If you have a Whole Foods around you, go look, and it should be in the frozen aisle with the bread area. the bread frozen now. And we'll continue. We'll be right back with what? The dry goods. And we'll catch up with you in a second. As we continue with the dry goods, I don't know why my wife thought onions were dry goods, but I think they're produce. Just kidding. But here's a bag of onions. Red ones. I don't know why they call them red onions, because they're purple. But hey, then we have, hey, don't make a big deal out of this. It's not what you think it is. It's just dill, okay? Then we have, what is it we have here? We have garbanzo beans. We have sugar-free dark chocolate chips. And some black beans. I don't know what's in what bag, but that's what's in these bags. We have 2 cans of organic French fried onions, gluten-free. We have a little thing for the kids. It's a gluten-free vegan mac. We have something for the fellowship. Try not to eat stuff like this because it has sugar in it. But this is for the fellowship, for the men's fellowship. We have 2 boxes of Simple Mills Sweet Thins Honey Cinnamon Crackers. Again, there's no sugar in that, but that is for the kids. Gone crackers. Mary gone. Mary gone where? Get some crackers. And I've noticed something, a little something here. It's simple around here. Why I say that? Because I showed you the Simple Meals, but now I'll show you the Simply Nature. Huh, look at there. You got 2 bags of coconut cashew crisp, sea salt caramel for the children as well. There's not actually any caramel in there, or sugar. Give me some sugar, baby. Oh, then we have some chia seeds, and actually it's best for them to be ground up, but if you eat them like this, it's okay. We have 4 things of core bars, which the main thing of it is actually made of adaptogens, which is mushrooms and stuff of that sort. They don't, you might be like, ugh, but no, it's actually not bad. My wife likes to have medicinal teas. So we have hibiscus here and chamomile and lavender, which will calm you down to fall asleep at night. We have 2 big old bags of organic mashed potatoes, unseasoned, because we can season it ourselves a lot better than what the bag can. And we got 2 big bags because of what time of the year it is. We got a deal on them, okay? We don't usually get them. It's best to make them, you know, from fresh. But if you get a bag, organic, and nothing bad in them, I mean, why not? We don't actually celebrate the thing in November and the thing in December. So, but we got some more brownies, and this is actually for the fam, because it has very good ingredients. There's no sugars in it, no dairy, actual vanilla, all good ingredients. Guys in the men's fellowship doesn't mind a little sugar, but I don't really eat sugar. So this is for the fam, this is for the men in the fellowship. We have 2 bags of True Roots lentil blend. Like I said a while ago, it's good to have things that are sprouted. This is sprouted lentils. It only takes 4 minutes to make them. So that's a positive. We got some organic yellow mustard. Dijon actually has like white wine vinegar. I can't have that because I'm a Nazarite. Again, if you don't know what that is, look it up. And what is it at? The actual command is in Numbers, I believe it is. And then if you read about Samson and Judges and the Apostle Paul, and you read about how Yohanan or John the Baptist was, they all fit the Nazarite. Even Jesus, who we call Yeshua, or Yeshua that you guys call Jesus, we believe that he took the Nazarite vow on at the Last Supper when he said, "I will no longer drink of this from the fruit of the vine until we meet again in the kingdom." So we got some quick cook brown rice here, so it can cook quickly, as you can see. Quick cook. 2 bags. We got, again, how we told you, we try to stay away from sugar, so we have alternatives like organic stevia, which is a better alternative. We have maple syrup, which we use for the oatmeal, which have 2 big things of old-fashioned rolled oats, which is the second best compared to still. It's the second best to the steel cut. Steel cut doesn't really have too good of a texture, so and it's a little bit higher, I think. So old fashioned's a good way to go. We have a little bit of nutritional yeast. We have another thing. Well, not another thing. Sorry. We have some quinoa, tricolor quinoa. We have some organic ketchup. We have 2 bags of organic russet potatoes. We have some good old recycled TP. It doesn't mean that other people used it, but it is recycled. But it's better to have healthier toilet paper because it's better for your behind. Most people doesn't realize they actually put tons of chemicals on toilet paper, which can possibly cause health issues. I researched that TP didn't have any plastic or any chemicals. So we got almond butter. Again, something else in our studies. We're not doctors, we're not scientists. But peanut butter is not that healthy for you, even raw or organic peanut butter. Because they store peanuts underground so it carries a mold. And that is, again, where people actually get peanut allergies from. That's one way. So it's not because they are really allergic to it, it's because they're allergic to the mold. So we try to get almond butters and stuff like that, and it actually is just straight almonds. But they done a big study on it, and what did I say? Hundreds of kids got cancer and died. So, not the almond butter. I was trying to figure out what was making them have cancer. If you want to look at stuff up, you look it up. Don't take my word for it. We also have some sourdough Trader Joe's bread. This is some pretty good bread. We try to typically stay away from wheat and be more gluten-free, but gluten-free bread a lot of time has a lot of bad ingredients. So the better breads to have wheat is sourdough or spelt. The best is einkorn. We do have einkorn flour that my wife on occasion makes bread products with. Then we have 2 gluten-free jovial spaghetti pastas, and we have parchment baking sheets. Again, you have to be careful with your parchment paper because it does have chemicals. As you can see, this right here tells you that it's totally chlorine free. Certified unbleached. It's, believe it or not, some parchment papers are bleached. And it's free of plastics. So we're trying to save the world here, right? To stay away from plastics because the world belongs to the Father in heaven. So we want to take care of it as long as He has it here, until He decides to do what He wants to do. That's why we're trying to transition, because it's not just for us, it's for Him. And us doing stuff for Him, it helps us. Because He loves when people do what He wants them to do. And to close out the grocery haul, I have cold pressed organic juice. Clean and green. Okay? I try to have at least one of these a day. I try to get my wife some too sometime, but it's very healthy for you. It's kale, cucumber, apple, spinach, mint, celery, lemon, parsley. It's a 7 Select brand, but they have different kinds, but it's just straight fruit, straight vegetables, and it's cold pressed. That's pretty much what we have for the grocery haul. And we thank you guys for coming back to Shalom Meadows. And remember, we're still doing renovations. This house is still a 1960s or 70s office building, but it looks more now like a 2023 house. But hey, we're still renovating. I want to show you guys how the channel is going to transition. It's going to be but it's still going to be, flipping stuff. It's still going to be flipping furniture. It's still going to be doing stuff to the house. Land, we're going to be doing stuff to that. The land, we're going to have, like I said, hopefully have a garden and stuff like that. Hopefully have animals too, hoping for that. We don't know exactly if we're going to do that. We're hoping for it. But thank you guys for coming back again. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, and know when we got videos coming out, because we still got a lot more coming. Still got lights to put up, still got trim to put up. We're still going. We're still trucking through. Still got a living room to clean up and unpacking. So on that note, shalom, y'all.